Welcome back to my channel Finance Seco India. This week, 3 major corporate announcements, stock splits and bonus issues you need to know. 1. Bajaj Finance, the mega combo. Bajaj Finance is delivering a double dhamaka. They're implementing a 1-to-2 stock split and a 4-to-1 bonus issue with a record date of June 16, 2025. That means each share becomes 10 shares total, great for affordability and liquidity. 2. GTV Engineering, Small Cap Bonanza. GTV Engineering, a multi-bagger small cap, has approved its first ever corporate action, a 1-to-5 stock split plus 2-to-1 bonus issue. That means 100 shares become 300, a triple boost. The record date will be announced soon. This follows their 4,500% return over 5 years. 3. Vesuvius India, retail-friendly split. Vesuvius India is doing a 110 stock split, 10 rupees right pointing arrow 1 rupee face value, with an ex-date of June 10th. This makes its shares more accessible for retail investors. Takeaways and closing. 1. Last chance for Bajaj Finance, buy by June 13th to be eligible. 2. GTV Engineering small cap upside, keep an eye on record date. 3. Vesuvius India becoming retail friendly. Remember, your total investment value remains the same, you just end up with more shares at a proportional price. Great for liquidity and retail participation. If you found this useful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment on which company you're eyeing this week. Disclaimer, this is educational content only, not investment advice.